See, as we don't enter this city so, the name where they call me for this city now, Azonto.
Azonto?
Yes, that's the name they used to call me in this city.
As in dance, Azonto?
Yes, now.
Why now? Which kind of name be that?
I like that kind of name, and you go better if you start to call me that name. I don't want anything to go remind me from this village where we take come back from.
Just the answer. I want the answer. Outdated dance. Azonto. Don't really finish.
It's not outdated. It's okay. You don't call me any name where they used to call me from village. You call me.
If I call you Azonto, you go call me Skelewu.
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 Skelewu. Who answers Skelewu?
Me. Answer Skelewu.
All the days name.
No, the days evergreen.
Evergreen care.
You answer Azonto, Skelewu. 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 Skelewu.
Skelewu care.
You gotta just your Azonto. 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 I watch me do my Azonto. 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 I watch me do my Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto. Azonto. Let's sing your make a Skelewu. Skelewu.
Azonto. 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 Auntie, you are here. Yes, we are here. Auntie, this is my sister, Skelewu, my twin sister I told you about.
Oh, wait. Is she that's your twin sister you've been talking about? All this while, my twin sister. But how come she looks like a 7-year-old girl?
I beg you. Don't say that kind of thing again. Yeah, I be a senior sister self. I senior her.
Elder what? This 1 minute gap where you use past me now, nobody go hear what again.
It's okay. It's okay.
Aunt Felicia, thank you for bringing us to your house. It's not easy for accommodating us in your place. God bless you.
It's okay. You know I'm doing all this for Sonia now.
Auntie Felicia, thank you. We will not put you down.
Okay.
We will obey you. Do anything you want us to do. Respect you, yeah? No give you wahala.
It's okay.
Madam Felicia, who are these?
Mama Joy, you don't know them again. This is Azonto now. Sonia's girlfriend before Sonia got married.
Oh, the little one must be your daughter.
Which I say the little one must be my daughter. You blind? You blind? Now my twin sister. But it concern you, not your business. You don't go.
It's alright. Let's go inside. Bring your bag. Let's go inside.
Okay, now the question even make am come this place. How you should take see me? Because now question carry and come and she can't go back.
Hey, Go come inside now. She's my very good neighbor. Hey, I'm going to get your twins tonight.
Now we just
As you can see, my house is very neat. You know what I hate, Azonto? Dirtiness.
Ma, don't worry. We are neat, Abby. We will not stay anywhere. We'll keep everywhere neat.
That's good. Both of you should work hard. Do whatever that you're supposed to do. We will not have problem.
No, I promise you will not have problem.
It's good like that, eh? Azonto, you know where I'm keeping water. You can go there, take water and take your beds. You know, you people are coming from a long journey. Yeah?
Ma, please, can we back tomorrow?
No, now. You are coming from a long journey. You're supposed to take it. You want to be smelling in my house? Azonto.
Ma, we will bathe. Don't mind. What's wrong with you? Don't you know that cleanliness is meant to godliness?
Meant.
No, be meant, baby.
Please, go and take your beds, eh?
Okay, ma, we will. Thank you, ma.
Okay. Imagine. Adoto! Skeleton! Adoto! Skeleton! Let me get up there now! Get up!
Auntie,
You're sleeping by this time?
at this time, in the middle of the night with this.
What is the middle of the night? This is already past 5.
Past 5?
Past 5 in the morning!
Past 5 a.m. now. Nasty night. They never break.
Do you think that here is village?
I doubt now. How to start up by this time? We be wish. You don't tell us say you won't initiate us your evil code.
Come out from long journey.
Look at these children. See, here is not village. This is township. People are already out there for their businesses. So get up, let's go and start our own.
By past 5. It's not possible now.
I am not ready for this argument. Both of you should get up there right now.
Okay, where are we going to?
To the restaurant. We are going to prepare the food. We make sure everything is ready before the customers start coming. Get up! I beg you to get up!
I'm not prayed.
Yes.
Let's pray.
We need to do our quiet time.
Azonto. What nonsense is this? Stop that! What kind of prayer is that? Are you supposed to pray since? Please, go and take your own bed. Let's go.
Go and bath.
Go and back face down. Wait for you.
My coach
Two of you can go
touch
together.
me.
Two of you are twins. You can bed together. So go together. Go and bed. Hey! Go, Joe! You said I don't understand your own. Small big here, I don't know.
Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they
Where are you people now?
Felicia, I need to get the soup.
Yeah.
Hot one, hot. I see the hot. Sorry. Okay. Sorry up with the Sumari.
Am I your type? Why are you always
Are you not a small girl?
I beg, don't let that.
The food to customers.
Customer.
Fine girl. Madam Felicia. You did not tell me that you are this kind of fine girl. Serious? She's very, very beautiful.
Hey, come on, Yash. You dey mad?
What?
Stop that nonsense.
Stop the fire you.
What is it? What is this now? Stop it! Answer! Please, I'm sorry. You know that's small people now. Please.
Did you see that?
Will you apologize? Apologize to this fool. Hi, the worker.
Azoto,
Ma,
I said apologize.
never.
Me, fool.
Stop the fire you.
I'm very sorry.
Madam Felicia.
Why don't you leave this place? Please, I beg you to forgive me. You know that children now.
Which children? You were here when that girl slapped me, right?
I will make it up to you.
Make it up to what?
Please. Customer, please. Customer, please. Pass it down there.
Fact.
Okay, but you fuck up. Why must you touch her buttock? Is it your own?
Did you see the way that girl slapped me? That small girl!
No, you fuck up. If you need her, go straight and talk to her. Not to mess yourself up.
In fact, I don't have time to dialogue.
I'm telling you.
Customer, please now. Please. Barrister, you can see. Hey.
Don't mind.
Hi, customer!
Don't mind him. Very calm. Don't mind him.
Why you do this now?
Don't mind him. Let him. Let us. Very. You don't say long.
I know, Barrister.
Very well.
Thank you, Barrister.
Very
My
well.
Barrister, just enjoy your food,
I know. Let me enjoy you small.
Barrister, okay, I'm coming. Barrister, thank you.
Hey!
Azonto!
Hey! Hey!
Azonto, you want to chase away all my customers? Why?
And I'm not chasing your customer. But that particular guy lacks manners.
Will you shut up there? Shut up!
Auntie, why are you sounding like this? Na my yansh this guy touch you. Na my yansh.
Shut up! He touched your bum bum. Was that enough reason for you to slap him? Eh? Was that? Listen, let me tell you. People like Patrick are rare to get. He's one of my regular customers here. And for no reason will you chase them away. And if I should lose people like him, that means me closing my shop. Is that what you want?
No, you will not close your shop. But I will not stand and watch someone harass me like that.
Harassed you? Just that he touched your bum bum. Did he carry your bum bum home? Eh? That's why you're vibrating. That's why you're vibrating. See, let me tell you. This nonsense should not repeat itself again. Should not. Do you hear me? Make sure anytime you see him, you apologize to him.
Apologize?
Yes!
But I say you never know me.
Azonto, I will know you. If you don't do that, you will have me to contend with. What is this? Hey! This girl, what is her problem?
She's very, very angry.
Wait, she consign me. Let her be angry now. He consign me. He consign me.
But you know, we have already slapped the guy. You're supposed to just tell him sorry, just sorry, and let it go.
No, you know good though. See, if we tell that guy sorry, he will feel his rights and he will do it again.
Listen to me, Azonto. This is my restaurant. Customers touch women's backside. I don't know the big deal there. Do you get me right?
Oh yeah, no. Customer touch women backside, but not my backside. So if your customers come, tell them say make them avoid me, because you know go funny if anybody touch me again.
No.
Eh? What is wrong with you? What is it?
Why you slap me now? Why you slap me?
Oh, you want to beat me? You want to hit me back? Are you okay?
Sorry, it's okay, sorry. Sorry, but somebody touched our nyash now.
And so? He touched your nyash. Did he carry it home? What is it?
He's supposed to take permission. You cannot just touch somebody like that without permission. You're supposed to take permission.
Now because of my little sister, yeah, sorry, and because of my senior sister, wait me I have for you now.
Eh? So you forbid me? I don't talk.
No, she's not gonna beat you. Don't worry.
See, you better talk to her. Talk to her. I won't tolerate her nonsense here again. I won't.
No wahala.
What is it?
No wahala.
Try it. Please, just pack this place. I'm going. Pack everything. Nonsense.
Why you want me?
Why you hold? I for no hold you made a bit crazy come up for your head.
See, next time when me and this man get issue, no hold me again. I forbid this woman now. I forbid them.
But you for go beat her now. I no hold you from beginning. I just leave you, make they touch you small. You can't go back. Now make I hold you.
Behave your size, behave your height.
You know you don't get sense.
I don't get sense.
So when they touch you like say, and the way that they touch her, no sense.
He no consign you.
I for leave her, make they touch you like the way that they touch her, because now for her to say that they touch customers, they touch anybody. Now I say that they touch them too. I for leave her, make they touch, make you and now then the same yakata.
That no big issue here. If I fight with this woman, no put man, no hold me. I don't tell you. Carry your head come over there, babe.
I don't touch your right side, idiot. Come with me now.
Come here. Come here. Fine girl. Let's say the mother. Who be fine girl? I deal with. Eh? Do you know who you are talking to? Eh?
Let's say you don't know who they follow you stand here, they talk to you. This is President Commander General among the whole nation, the whole street. This guy where they see like this. All the host boys, girls, they pay tribute to them. Motor where they pass here, keke where they pass here, all of them they give her money. They say now generals, they say like this. So if they follow you to make you coordinate yourself.
Be like teach off na the mad.
Fine girl, wait now. I think you're new in this area. But from now you will start paying tax to me.
I should pay tax to you.
Yes,
You dey mad? 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 if you tough now, try stop him for road again.
General.
I will slap you. Come on for road.
General.
Fat for nothing.
General, wait oh.
Because you are fine girl, that's better.
You see small girl, tie your hand here. Why? So wait, this girl, calm down, hold your hand, twist you. You don't do anything.
On my way now. I mean,
on the way.
You're making one matter what? See first.
Hey, General, you messed up. I hate injustice.
You hate injustice. Work at the idiot.
Where are you coming from, Azonto?
Tifeli, why they bone face for me now? This cool evening, they bone face for me. I go find work.
You go find work?
Go find work.
You go find work? This evening?
No, I don't come out since morning. I don't understand if I work up now.
At the shop, you will not help me. In the house, you will still not help me.
Why will I help you now? Yeah? I get my own life to live. I got hustle. And why I don't come back on time now? Because I don't say you the ways come back from work late. I don't want to come house now. Come they knock, I don't go see you. So instead of me, they waste that time, they knock. Or use that time, they for road, they find work.
Azonto, I am not your family member. It's a friend that asked me to accommodate you. Don't forget that.
First thing here, this thing they talk, and we just say you na free accommodation, they give me and my sister. You know, gonna say we also pay for rent too. Yes, I know. Sonia tell me say she paid part of the rent so you can allow me and my sister to stay. This I know.
Are you not talking nonsense? I don't want to know whatever that you're talking. But still, let me tell you, if you cannot behave yourself here, I will kick you out.
Kick you out?
You!
Whatever.
What did you say?
I said yes, ma.
Better for you. Look at you. Are you not supposed to be bringing customers for me in my shop? Eh? Are you not supposed to be bringing customers for me? Rather, you are chasing them away. You are a very stubborn girl.
Is there our blood?
Is there your blood?
That's what they think about me.
And if you don't respect yourself, this house will not contain both of us. You will not stay here. If you like, start talking. Your friend pay, your friend did not pay. I don't want to know. But if you don't behave yourself...
Wait, I want shit at you.
That shit go hold you there, Azonto. That shit go hold you. But don't worry now. Tomorrow, come and leave this house. Leave this house like this tomorrow.
Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they Azonto and Skelewu. One day back, cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they Azonto and Skelewu. One day back, cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they Yes, the hustlers. Yes, the hustlers. Then the hustlers. Then be hustlers.
Smolly!
We the call Smolly. We the mad. So you don't know your elders again. Eh?
Are you drunk?
General, see, it is obvious that she is blind. Yes, and she doesn't know her size. They are calling you Smolly. You should be happy. You should be happy that they are not calling you rats. They just call you Smolly. Maybe she doesn't know her size in terms of human structure. Yes, maybe.
I got to help me and punish you then, because you don't have sense. You that is storing human form now. Do you have sense? Are you storing brain form? You don't have sense.
Smolly, wait, just give me your sister's
Don't
number.
fire you there. So why you not collect her from her? You want me to give you my sister's number? Why you not collect her? I will beat you. I will beat you. You know when they like that, I will beat you. And then they want small children. And then they listen. I will beat you, my brother.
She's Smolly. He's only asking for your sister's number. That is the only.
You are stupid.
This man, they for you. Yes, mother. Now today I don't say no get strength. Wow, it is today I know that how is your turn.
See, if you ever tell me again to stop this girl acting, not because of you, I just have to risk myself to beg her on your behalf to take your sister and that girl had in mind to. Why not?
I'm for you. I beg you. Go fight them, man.
You cause this thing, you
Felicia,
Where are you going to?
I want to take a walk.
Take a walk where? Have you fetched water?
Water?
Yes, water.
But there's water now.
Where?
In the kitchen. In the toilet itself. There's water inside here. I fetch water. I keep water inside.
Have you filled everything in this house with water?
Yeah. You get another type of water we I don't know. There's water now.
See, Azonto, don't try and leave this house without filling everything in this house with water.
Oh, I need to find Azonto trouble. I need to find my trouble. I start and you could see Azonto this, Azonto don't start.
As long as you people are in this house, you eat my food. Anything I say you will do, you will do it. If you don't do it, I will kick you out of this house. I don't care if you say that your friend pay or not. This house is my house.
Small house where you get the user the buga. No be made the build mansion. No be made the get cars. Because you get small house, no go rest.
Try leave this house without filling everything with water. Then we will know who is in charge in this house. We will know. Try me now.
Skelewu, this is not the plan, no. This is not the plan at all. We came to this city to look for our destiny, to make our own money, not to become a slave and be serving that woman.
I know now. You have to still calm down. See, it's because she's the one feeding us. That's why she's insulting us like that. So let's just...
See, the truth is I can't continue working for her. I cannot continue working for her.
Let's go and look for another job and do.
Abi?
That's even our plan, safe. Shebi will say if we get more money, we'll leave and go and look for another thing and do.
No. Let's work for her for now. Once we gather more money, we'll go and find another job. Don't worry, I'll find a good job.
If you go and find a job tomorrow, I'll help her in her shop, yeah?
Okay.
I'll be staying in her shop with her assisting her while you'll be looking
yes,
for a job.
that's what I'm going to do. I'll find a good job.
Yeah, please don't go. Tomorrow after we'll do something about it. Please don't go.
Them the hustlers, they know they smile at all. Any matter where concern money, they know they use and play.
Why is Azonto not here?
She went to look for a job.
Wait, she went to look for a job. You mean Azonto left my shop and went elsewhere to look for a job?
Yes, now you were complaining that we don't contribute in feeding or anything in your house. So there's no how we can be contributing if we don't have any money or any work doing.
Oh, so I am now the bad person. Wait, I am the devil, right?
I did not say you are a bad person. I did not say you are a devil. I only said she went to look for a job so we can contribute in the house.
No problem. Since I am now the bad person here, no problem. Let her go and come back.
One day back, cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, they Azonto and Skelewu. One day back, cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, they yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle.
Auntie Felicia, the kitchen is locked.
So?
Me, I'm hungry. I'm not eating.
So?
Which one is so? What do you mean by so?
Azonto, so you went out since morning, coming back now, and to tell me that you are hungry? I don't understand.
Auntie, now I went to look for a job.
Who did you tell that you went to look for job?
I told my sister Skelewu.
Good. Go and tell Skelewu to give you food.
Hey, Felicia, why you like to do like this? This your bad character no good. Why they do like this?
My bad character is what I'm doing. Go and tell Skelewu to give you food.
See, I went out to look for job because I will not be in your house forever now. I will not work under you forever. I need to have my own work I'm doing. So my sister and I, we need to up and doing. So we can have our own work and look for another place to stay.
Azonto, you are speaking all this grammar for yourself. I have told you, go and look for Skelewu. Skelewu should give you food. So you told her that you went to look for work. So what is there now? You told Skelewu, go and tell her to give you food.
No, this city life don't time me. I don't understand. Person no fit see work for here, or let's say you get the degree or skills. Even to see maid work, house help work, e hard though. I no see.
So what you go do now?
Wetin I wan do before? I go still dey try find work now.
Chai. What if you come back to Auntie Felicia's shop?
Felicia dey pay you?
No, now, but at least you go to see food the chop.
No. I no fit go that place. I no fit. You know what? Tomorrow I will go back to that shop. Yes, if I dey 1 or 2 days, one day fit be my good day. A good day fit shine on me.
Oh yeah, no wahala.
Where Auntie dey? She around?
So she went to evening market. See as we just dey blow pigeon they go. You don't forget our insulin sticker.
Now for me now, no see some of all those big pigeon with the blue. We never know the meaning.
You are a bombastic
element.
You are.
So what did you do?
Unsophisticated.
What did you do?
I do unsophisticated. I'm canny. I want to do that.
These girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, them they get. Yes, they hustle.
Yes, they hustle.
Them they hustle.
Them be hustlers.
Yes, they hustle.
Yes, they hustle.
Them they hustle.
Them be hustlers.
Yes, they hustle.
Yes, they hustle.
Enjoy yourself.
Them they hustle.
Them be hustlers.
Azonto and Skelewu. Azonto. One day back. These girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, them they get.
Come.
Chineke, what is going on there, man? What is this? Azonto!
What happened?
You dey ask me what happened. You don't know what you do. Why you dey touch my ash? Are you bad?
Yeah, apologize.
Apologize to who? Hey, mama, I don't like this thing. I'm here to serve your customers. I'm not to be harassed by them.
I'm sorry. Azonto, are you mad? Apologize to him.
You should apologize to me first.
I said you should apologize to him. Azonto!
Let's say you never know you. You don't that fire you. Don't touch me again. I be your mate.
Who are you calling this place?
Don't that fire you.
June! Hi! June! You know me? Do you know who I am? Hey! This guy. It's because of you. Felicia, you better want to take this guy. Hey!
Sorry.
What
is this?
Hi! Hey! Good. Hey! You consign you.
My babe, who made you angry? Who be your babe? You dey mad?
General, bless you, dey mad oh. You dey mad oh.
Azonto, you too dey vex.
Hey, calm down now.
Calm down.
Wetin happen? Wetin you want? Eh?
Fine girl. I also want to know you more.
You want to know me more?
Yes.
As per your junior sister wey dey miss. Eh? Eh? You want to know me more?
Baby, you go calm down now. Now, you human being like you. Now, you just want to know you more now, button.
You with a sharp mouth like knife. Wetin be your name? You be mouthpiece.
It be like say I never introduced myself to you before. Now, waiting make you the. My name now Usmane Dembele, aka Usman. Now me be general in command, second general in command. If general no there to collect tribute, I dey in charge. Now me be the apprentice wey dey follow am for back. Anywhere where you see say general no dey.
Oga, shut up.
Just
shut up. You hear the rubbish when they come out from your mouth. Eh? Second general in command. I understand. AKA broke boys, Abi?
Eh?
Who told you that are broke?
Yes,
I no get money.
Una dey broke. If na dey useful to na mama, no go dey follow woman dey stand for road dey talk.
This one no see us finish oh.
See finish, I should to go.
Now see finish dey record this one oh.
Anyway, I say I like talk for Nasha.
Now wetin you suppose talk since
Follow me for my back.
Fine,
Let's get
boys.
to know each other. Follow me for my back.
General, now you go dey the back. Yeah, you can do it. Hold on for Nasha, why you dey the back?
Wetin dey do you sef? Because dem dey beg you, your head just dey big. See, make I remind you, Sonia my friend, she paid 6 months house rent in this house. So we no dey comot anyway.
Azonto, get out. This is my house. It is my house. Do you hear me?
Yeah, your house and so. And so.
Auntie Felicia, calm down now.
Why you dey beg am? No dey favor your hand, no dey beg am. We no go go anywhere.
See, madam, oya leave this place. Get out.
Go where?
Shut up, let me talk now. Auntie Felicia, see, me I know that you are right. It's your house, yes. We're not doubting it is your house, but she's still right. They paid for our rent for us. We're supposed to stay here. Okay, aside that one, yes, it's your house. But can you just give us time? Give us like 2 months. Let's look for work and leave your house for you, please.
What are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say that you should just give us time. Give us time. We'll leave your house definitely, please.
If Azonto is going to stay here, she is not going to eat my food again in this house.
No, wahala. But you know she doesn't have any money now. Please, let's find work and leave. She doesn't have money. How can I be eating in this house as my sister, my twin?
What's my own business?
Twin will not eat.
Which kind of finish? You tell her I no get money. You
go shut up. Make her beg for you. You not keep quiet. Let me beg for you now. You beg yourself.
No, don't worry.
Pride will not allow you to calm down.
She is not going to eat any of my food. That's what I have said, and I meant every word that came out from my mouth. Look at it. God should have given you at least little sense. But God, she collected every sense God gave both of you. You see it?
Why you beg am? No beg am! No beg am!
Ma, please, I will talk to her. She will come and apologize.
Apologize to who?
I don't even need her apology. I don't need your apology.
Of course.
I don't
apologize to you. Don't jump.
You are fighting somebody in her house. You don't know that she can refund that money. You are fighting somebody in her house.
See. You go maintain. You go what? Okay. You want to reach me?
What you gonna do?
Yeah, you dey mad.
I dey talk. Come here, your elder sister. I don't see you. You dey talk to me and you are mad.
I dey respect your size. One blow you don't die.
Blow me now.
I go blow you.
Blow.
Skelewu, I love your mate. Now only 1 minute.
Get out.
Skelewu, wetin you dey talk? Police business ke? Wetin we know about police wey we wan the entire road dey start police business? You don do that training before?
See, my sister, this thing no need training. You go just enter road, they collect money. Actually, I saw one of them when I was standing at that junction. I saw as the people were giving them money, plenty money.
We no fit do this thing o. We are going against the law.
Everybody they go against law. Even governor, president, police people, army, everybody they go against law. No be your own way they go against law, go break everything. No. Let's do this thing, my sister. Let's do this thing and find money. The main cocoa there be saying we go to get money. If we can't get our own enough money, we'll open business, do whatever we want. But at the moment, let's just do the ones that we know we can do. If this is just bully. Let's just stand on the road, bully people, collect money. There's nothing there. Just a picture. Go to one road that police people don't used to pass. Just pack something. If anybody come, you collect money. Police don't enter your account.
I will think this one. This one they risky.
Think calm. You know they risky. Think calm.
Think calm well.
No bad. Don't worry. What are the bring guys?
Yeah. This guy get shocked.
These girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, yes, they hustle.
Yes, they hustle.
Then they hustle.
Them be hustlers.
Yes, they hustle.
Yes, they hustle.
Then they hustle.
Them be hustlers.
Yes, they hustle.
Yes, they hustle.
Then they hustle.
Them be hustlers.
Azonto askelewu. Azonto. One day back it was. These girls are hustlers. Anything we can bring money,
Well done.
Good to know.
One chocolate.
What is the uniform for?
For a movie. We're casted as security guard, so it's also acting in the movie. That's the uniform it's also make.
So when is the movie shooting?
Next week.
But once it's sharp.
So when you go bring your amount? When will you be ready?
Make I see the movie. Now 7,000 I go give me 8 for this uniform.
Only 7,000.
Come, make ask you one question. You be thief. You don't get anything we go tell me. You don't do thief for before. For this small thing now we go so for us 107,000 naira. Fear God. My sister no get weight as she's more rich. For market, now 2,500 they take sew her clothes. Me 3,000. So we go collect 5,500 last. Or 5,000. You do for us.
Why you want change am for me? Why you talk as if you know they Nigeria?
I go change that for you.
Material don't cost now. Materials are expensive. And besides, you need it urgently.
No be us carry material go give you. You buy material.
Oh yeah, wait. Forget my sister. She dey get hot temper. Forget. Look at me. I say, okay, so what we go do now? Let's just gather 7,000 and give you now. Then if the movie comes out, we'll give you the balance.
I know they work like that.
Do now. You see, this is now we
See,
will.
my clothes don't they fall now. I know they like that. I
My
know they
brother,
work
this
like
is
that.
now we will. If this movie come out now, we'll come blow. Now you go enjoy it. Now we go even talk fast.
We go.
When they talk to everybody, tell everybody,
Tell you are destiny helper.
now you saw this uniform for them, but say now you do this, you go talk fast. Go say now you know what, you even be our classmates. Now so now they do.
Kelewu. Now because of you. Now because of you, no be this your sister when they form Jagabano.
My brother, now we think now. So if you blow now, if you ask this movie now become superstar, now you go they talk. Now you go talk past sex. You
My
go talk.
superstar.
Say, now you even make clothes for us. Now we make now me make that uniform where they use the shit. Now me be their best friends. Yeah, now me help their life. But now you don't go help us now. So now I beg. I come and beg you.
Them be hustlers. They know they smile.
You dey carry shop come.
Any matter.
Are you want this me by war?
They know they
Huh?
Sorry.
No, you stop for me. Come here, let me close this fan oversize.
Oversize?
Go fit you now. No go walk.
But make your friends.
Don't use
Nigeria,
them.
they
You
put
go carry am come up.
for yes.
For anybody.
Okay, for yes.
Yes.
Azonto askelewu.
Yeah.
Like this.
One day back.
Are you come to tell us?
These girls are hustlers. Anything we
Madam
can bring
Feli, hurry up with the phone and the house now.
Kelewu, come now. She's coming.
one day back. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we can bring money, Azonto askelewu.
Okay, no problem. Please bring open and welcome.
Yes, the hustle.
Yes, the hustle.
Hey,
Then be hustlers.
Yes, the hustle.
this your table I think is very slippery.
Then be hustlers.
Yes, the hustle.
Yes, the
Small,
hustle.
how are you?
Then the hustle.
Yee? Serious? Madam Felicia. Come. Yee? Wait, don't worry, I will take care of it by myself. Madam Felicia. I heard that she's Azoto's twin sister.
Yes, she is.
Yeah?
Yeah, she's looking very beautiful.
You don't mean it?
Yes.
You know, she's very fine. Oh.
Yes.
She's fine, and I think this one will be good.
Customer.
Yes, now.
Oga Patrick.
You know what I'm saying? See, I think you should. I think you should pursue that Azonto out of your house. This one.
No, she's nice, eh?
Yeah, she's very nice.
Yes.
Yes, she's nice.
Oh, Emily, give me a plate.
Make sure you serve him well.
Sir, I'm not cheap. Sorry, sir. Your food.
Madam Feli, she is very gentle.
She is, eh?
Officers, you have done a good job today.
Thank you, sir.
You have done well today.
Thank you, sir.
Every work has good reward. You can see what we have achieved today.
Yeah.
This is for you.
Thank you, sir.
Chai, see how they share money. See money.
This is for you. So, sir. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Let's go. You have done a good job.
All these police people are making me. Please be doing this police work.
Ha! This people, they cash out though.
They cash out.
They pass.
So they make better money. Make we dey do this business now. Make we dey do it.
Scary. Which kind of talk with that one? You know what they talk? Which business you want do? See, if they catch us, we go sleep for sale.
Who won't catch us now? Who gonna say we no be real police? They no go know now. They no go know.
Don't be say I don't want to do the business. But even if we do them now, we be girls. People no go respect us. We need backers like men. They go back us up.
So now you get any man where you go call now, we go back us. We go grey.
Yes. General in French.
I just say you and General they get beef.
Na before now, but I don't give her woto. And I know as in fact they anytime when I say my I they beat am well. The guy now they respect me. See,
when I tell them no whether I go, make we do this thing. This just they spend money.
Of course they go do am because if you go with person where we don't know, they no go agree to this business. I risk business with this.
When I go tell them no how far.
Yeah, no, you go. See as they count money.
I don't go to count all money.
This business na better business, so na good business.
If na good business, you go call us.
Wetin you dey talk? One thing wey I hate about you, General, be say you dey very ungrateful. Person go carry good thing meet you go dey use bad mouth spoil am. Tell me, do you like as you are stealing from your uncle's wife? You like him?
Who told you that that was see from your uncle's wife? Just open your mouth and start saying nonsense.
General, I beg. I don't even know how she takes Sabi this one. And if let's say your matter don't cast for this state, because everybody that don't know say you be thief, they steal from pot, they steal from pocket, they pickpocket. Anywhere where you go, everybody run back your name. They don't know say you be criminal.
You know, shut up.
I know you're the one that told that.
I know if you
Please, are you in or out? This talk is too much. Are you in or out? That's what I asked people before they don't talk.
But like you haven't explained the thing well.
How many times I go talk? So all this long talk where I talk now, you know, enter this your big head. Rubbish. See how I go start am. You go find police material, give your tailor. Make them so give you. Now the first move be that.
Don't forget to tell them say now for movie. Make you no go implicate person. For movie.
But if we enter road now, and if now start stopping car, we don't give us listening ear. That's the main thing.
Why we no go give you listening ear? Them they mad. As you fat reach, if you enter road, no say if they see you, they go they fear. Yeah? Why you even they act like small pikin? How be you they talk say you now you they run this town, now you they run this town, they wide your mouth. Now this small tax you they fear.
I'm not afraid. I'm just asking for clarification. Should be?
Yes, that it is very, very.
If you just wear the uniform, because I know that if you go like this, they might not respect us. But if you go with uniform, they will respect. There's no how they will not respect us because they will think that we are working for Federal Republic of Nigeria. So everything don't settle.
Everything supposed to settle. No worry, nobody could intimidate us. In fact, we go bomb face for them. We not go give them that face to even ask us rubbish question. Now all gonna intimidate them.
Well, this is a very nice idea. You know, I was just thinking of it. This is in fact, I am in. Okay, I am because as I did like this hunger too much. There is hunger. See, I am tired of insults. Any shop I enter, they go say them. Nobody wants to say for credit. I said like this, I am in. There is hunger.
You get
okay?
It? I swear.
I go join them.
I just say you the sharp man before you want from hard guy.
So everybody tomorrow 8 o'clock sharp.
Wait first. You go rush now, go meet tailor. Now make them show your clothes. You know you as a fat rich, you go hard, make them fit, get your size for market. Make them go show your clothes. 5 p.m. Meet us for field, then we do our practice.
Police they carry gun now. We won't come see gun.
Oga, go do this uniform first. No, they talk too much. Come out.
Now to find money now, go buy this material for this uniform now. That one will come be issue now. But no, I sabi where I go take better material. Yeah, let's go general. We go find better clothes now. So
Longer the wire you never see like this. Finally.
So you go be sergeant. You not go be corporal. If I say sergeant, you say inspector man, you salute me. Sergeant!
Inspector man!
Now you go be corporal. If I say corporal, inspector man, this is the same thing. Corporal!
Oh no, me I no green that one. No.
Why?
Wait, how can someone like you be inspector? You're supposed to have that inspector.
Come with the matter, who be small girl? Why you go come and start small girl? You dey craze?
Yes, but waiting my guy here talking after. How small picking like you go be inspector? You get as the thing go dey for road now. Imagine say motor stop now, we come dey tell am say our inspector won't follow it up. They gonna look you less now. Now person like general here supposed to be.
See me.
Yeah. Now you supposed get that badge. Say now you be the inspector.
Now I know say una dey ungrateful. Yeah, I understand. So food wey we bring for una table, una wan betray us. So now una plan. Una wan become oga for this game, abi?
See, if una no one, make we go.
We go find another person. They go.
Wait, you never reach like that. You were only given a possible opinion.
Sharp, you cooperate now. Fast. Sergeant!
Inspector man.
Corporal!
Inspector man.
Corporal!
Inspector man.
Call him.
I remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was. Take off my bag. I remember when I was a soldier.
Azonto and Skelewu. One never give up. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then do. Azonto and Skelewu. One never give up. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then do. Azonto and Skelewu. One never give up. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then do.
Don't come.
Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Azonto and Skelewu. Azonto one day back. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they. Azonto and Skelewu. One day back.
Which your name?
Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers.
The thought that waiting for them are your own.
Then be hustlers. They know they see. Any matter when consign money, they know they use a play. Double wahala for everybody. Azonto and Skelewu.
You sure?
If you cross their path, they go treat you for copy for Naija.
You won't be very about anything. You should have told them you follow.
They know they agree for anybody.
Put that for your belly, put that for your belly.
You're not saying you need to play your belly.
Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, they do.
My people, I don't say you have the perfect thing.
Cause these girls are
What do you
hustlers.
do?
Anything we go bring money, they do. Azonto and Skelewu. One day back. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, they do. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Azonto and Skelewu. Azonto. One day back. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they.
I get this thing you said today will go very, very well. Maybe we should pray. They might. You not pray for your heart before you come out.
This kind of something I don't want you. Make you know as they talk for this place. You get where they pray. They don't pray on road. You pray before coming on duty.
Hey, everybody shut up! Shut up your mouth! Let me hear myself! So now that I can hear myself now, okay? Saman, where's the particulars?
Now this small pikin.
What? What you talk?
Hey! Offense number 1. So, you are insulting the senior officer of this place. People that have small people in your village, Abi?
No, I don't know. Say you.
They're going to pay 50,000.
50 what? 50,000. I know say me I fuck up. I know say me I know. Wetin I get here to give Nana 500.
Thunder fire you.
500
Eh? We never beggars for you.
Are we beggars?
Please, let's not dead.
Respect the man.
Tow this bike to the station.
See, stand up. I said, see. I hate injustice. Just stand up.
Come now. It's okay. Relax. See, the girl say I dey in a good mood today, and my inspector na very good person. You know, say you don't fuck up like this. You carry your mouth insult our inspector, say na small pikin. I say, you know, like say for your village, small pikin like this, they do security personnel. See as you go do am now. You give us 2,000 naira.
2,000? I no get 2,000 no.
I said, tow that bike to the station.
Yes, inspector ma. See, if you carry this bike to station, you go pay more.
This man they waste my time now.
Inspector! Inspector ma!
What is it?
Inspector, no vex. But you know how hard this country is. And everybody they try to survive. And this man don't talk to me, and I know I get soft heart. He is a family man and he also has children to take care of. So he doesn't know where he will get that kind of money from. But he has given us 2,000 naira.
I don't want that money. Take that bike to the station.
Hey, Inspector, I beg. And a family man, please. Even if anything at least for God, please.
See, this your kind heart will not kill you one day.
Amen.
We are free. Go on, just 10 cow. 10 cow.
Thank you.
10 cow. My friend. You can go.
That one they come, we go hold down when they come now.
Yeah.
Hey! Shh! Look, I shall give you.
Wait.
What this one? What this one?
I can't remember the last time I made this kind of money.
You mean without stealing it?
Missed you?
Oga, shut up. I know your score. This particular one, Nana, for me and Inspector.
This money long. Hey, as I talk to you now, the way they look this morning, now to go Mama Joe shop, go chop better banga soup. Because now that one they enter my head like this. That Mama Joe, that woman. You say last time I chop our food now for credit, I just chop them. But this one, now we say money don't enter my hand. I dey go a shop like this. I dey take one plate for today and tomorrow against next. You know, that's why I got the package because this money now it goes sustain me for 2 weeks. Yeah, last time this money go far.
You like am now?
Yes, sir.
You go they see more money like this, so.
Yeah.
After they work like this, more money go they come.
Hey, God, thank you. It's poor man will do.
For this life, chop money, yo. For this life, get money, yo. For this life,
Azonto.
I'm to finish that.
Where is your sister?
Just the matter. She's outside now.
I didn't see her outside.
But she will go outside now.
How was your first day at work?
It's fine now. You go well. I buy bread come for you.
You mean you buy the bread?
Where
did you get the money that you used to buy the bread?
I chief am. Try stupid question be that one. No, I see am for road pick the money. I work now.
Did they pay you the first day of the work? Did they pay you today?
They not pay me today, now my savings.
Savings? Oh! Azonto, so you and your sister has been stealing from my shop?
Yeah.
Yes!
Stealing? We don't need your money. We never spend your money before.
So, where did you get this money? Did you come to this house with any money?
When we come to this house, we search our bags. You search our bags, so say we not carry money come.
Okay. So, you came here with money and you've not contributed for anything. I have been the one feeding both of you for weeks. Eh?
Felicia, you get wahala. Let's say you get wahala. Eh? You contribute money, na wahala. You no contribute money, na still wahala. Oh, Felicia, see I'm tired. You dey complain too much.
Felicia, Azonto, so you are now calling me by my name?
You know what? No wahala. Na me cause all this problem, abi. Na me use my hard-earned money buy you bread. No worry. I will carry this bread go give our neighbors outside. Make case close, abi. Or you arrest.
Come on, you that bread. Eh? What do you think you are doing? I'm going to eat this bread. Give which neighbor? Which neighbor are you going to give? Eh? I'm going to eat this bread. Look at you.
Shebi you dey form big woman. Now you want to chop the bread.
So you and your sister have been making money and been saving it. And you've been eating my food in this house. Eh?
And also now hunger did you take. Digest time with peanut.
Give me.
Get pride though. Just you jack my peanut from my hand.
Are you people not wicked? Since you people entered this house, I have been the one feeding both of you. And you're saving your own money. You're saving money. And you're eating my food. I will eat it.
Yeah, they go now. Come off my room.
This is my house.
Now give me peanut. Make I follow you. Cut more bread for me.
Give you what? I'm not giving you anything.
How many buy bread for you?
I'm not giving it to you.
Two. How come you know?
Yeah. Oh yeah, position. Oh yeah, clear.
Will you obey
You talk.
Catwalk yourself to that place, young man.
Officer means.
Who put on socks by this time?
Who? Officer, I don't understand. What's all this harassment for now? You do not. Skelewu and what's your name? Why are you people harassing me now?
Offense number 1. Why do you want to commit murder?
Exactly.
You want to commit suicide mission? Why?
I don't understand.
Look at her. This hot afternoon, look at who you are carrying. Do you want to kill yourself?
No, Nani.
This is 5 in 1 person. 5 in 1. Only you.
Officer, why they talk like that now?
Madam,
They call me 5 in 1.
I hate injustice. When officer in duty is talking, you keep quiet and listen. Don't.
Okay, how is this your business now?
Chineke.
Your business.
I didn't even look at the back.
Chineke.
Which one?
Oga, arrest him.
Yes. See, I am charging you for suicide mission. You want to go and commit suicide, right? In this country, you are one of the problems we have in this country. You are one of the problems. See, respect yourself. I am charging you for overload, so I will advise you to just bring your hands, JJ. Straight it up like this. Let me handcuff it and take you to the station.
Officer,
this hot afternoon, bring out your hands.
I'm sorry.
What is it? Offense number 3.
No,
you want to commit adultery. In this country.
No, someone sent
in this country.
Yes. Someone sent it.
Adultery, only you. Arrest him. Hey!
No, it will not settle. Okay, we're looking at the offense number 2. You stretch your hand. Can we settle?
Everybody, shut up your mouth. Let me listen. You want to settle it?
Yes, let me go.
Pay 100,000.
Boy.
For what? Did I kill somebody?
You don't have it? Arrest him.
Officer, beg.
Let's settle this.
We can settle.
How much do you have?
Okay, let me just give 50,000. But I don't have cash.
50,000, send it. Give him account.
No, not you. Stay one side. Oh yeah, send it to my account.
Sharp.
You want an iPhone?
iPhone? Offense number 4. Oh yeah, let's go.
Call the account now.
You get mad. 50 89 33 416.
Okay.
50,000.
You go add charges in case we want to show am.
Yes.
Charges na 10,500.
Officer, this is extortion.
Stop what you are going to commit adultery and you are taking on the
Hold on. Oh yeah, this way. Are you move? Come back here.
Come here. If I hear this now, if you tell my aunt this nonsense, I am going to call my officers from the upper region to come and arrest you. I'll call the head officers to come and arrest you. So better seal your mouth. Get out!
Move! Are you still talking?
Let's go.
I don't like this. Inspector.
My friend, go and sit down.
Inspector, we're supposed to support them.
Look, to work now. Clear.
Hey, you dealt with that man.
Of course now, this life, you don't go to show people mercy at all.
Yes.
That one, it be like say we go stop for today because we've made much money for the people know what we do now.
Which money?
The 50K wey that man sent to your account now. Make we share that one. Come up for here.
They play. Money when they enter account don't go. I say money when they enter my account don't go. I don't tell you. So if you know what's good for you, we see. Even if nights don't they come like this, we go see they walk.
You know good though.
I don't follow for that one because this one don't follow for our bargain. This is not right now.
You don't get anything to talk than what talking. Even if you tell my sister, she go support me. Okay, chop na dey very very lazy. If you want work, they work. Money no they enter that and don't do that money at
I think no be supposed to.
Go. Go stop that bike when they come. You go stop that ticket for there.
Give me my money for today. Make I.
Chop na dey mad. Come beat me now. Come beat me. Nonsense. Hold them. Give me that.
Come here.
Officer, what's happening now?
Oh yeah, see the yam mouth.
Clear.
Come, leave the road. Come here.
Come here.
Where's the receipt?
Officer, I beg. No, my gen be this now.
Now your gen, I say no be your gen. I talk with mama, say no be your gen. Where is the receipt? Shut up your mouth, respect me and answer my question.
Officer, I no carry the receipt.
You don't get receipts, you be thief.
Sergeant!
Inspector man!
Carry this guy, arrest him, take him straight to court.
Officer, I beg.
Oh yeah?
My wife is pregnant.
Move it! You do it!
I'm not even now.
Stand up, respect yourself and stand your man, just respect yourself. I hate injustice.
Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law.
Respect yourself. I hate injustice.
Yes, big guy.
Stand there. Who you want to do that?
Now, joke.
You don't mind? That's joke. You don't forget. You don't
Officer.
Okay, change that to forget.
Na joke, I dey joke.
It's a joke.
Na joke.
It's a joke with this kind of thing.
No.
Na joke. My friend.
Offense number 2.
You want to come out from my mouth?
No.
Offense number 2.
How much did you pay for that place?
Make a counter.
Come on, give me everything else like the man. President! Check out.
David.
You pay 20,000.
Person.
My wife be pregnant.
Let me give her belly. Let me give her the pregnancy.
Hey, idiot!
Take for the
leave your chair! Huh?
Come on for you.
You want to leave this chair for you? It's under investigation. Yes, investigation. Let me investigate them. Come, idiot, hold this stick.
So lovely. So this is not be real. So this is not fake.
Not fake.
You come up with the same mouth. Come back.
Idiot. Come. The man. Come.
I can see that do something to one of them.
Don't wait. Inspector, come take her.
Bring her, come. Please, I do one or two. Bring her, come. Please, I do one or two. Will give us money.
You can yourself.
Don't be handy, take carry her. You say, ma'am. Don't be happy this.
Wait, Inspector.
Inspector, wait till you do that in Luna.
When I do one or two, will still give us money. I don't know when they just stop, go just sit down. Sorry, like they go wrong.
So when I get mind, like, una no dey fear like that.
Why we go fear? You know wetin we don see for this life. You know things we don pass through.
We don hustle. We don hustle. No get any hustle, we never do. Oya, make we dey go. We don try to dey look.
Oya, Inspector.
Let's go.
Give you money now.
What did they do you now? What did they do you? Now what did they do? Now? Come on, it's scary.
Go small things, go house now.
Okay, let's go.
Hey!
Them be hustlers, they know they smile at all. Any matter where consign money, they know they use and play. Double wahala for anybody, Azonto Naskelewu. If you cross their path, then go treat your fuck up before Nanya. Them be twins, with the same ambition. Don't use them play.
So, are you sure that man will not tell Madam Felicia that he saw you?
Tell Madam Felicia for what? He will not even try it self because he does not want me to post it online. In fact, very soon, I'm sure he will come to me, begging me to delete those videos. I like you. I like smart babes. Brain day. You like me?
Smart babe.
But I say this small play where I dey follow you dey play, you think say I be your mate. You like me? I resemble you. See, I come this city to make money. Just want to make money and have a good life. Don't you ever your life come your baby before I slap you. Idiot.
Your blood today.
I beg you.
No
follow me play that kind of play. See this small boy. Because you think say you fat. You think say I be your mate. Yeah. Go.
These girls are these girls are anything we can yes, the hustle. Them the hustle. Them be hustlers. Yes, the hustle. Them the hustle. Yes, the hustle. Yes, the hustle. Them the hustle. Them be hustlers.
Come here. Back there. Please. Come out. Just come back from the car. Come out. This time, young man.
Come down. Fast.
Officer.
Roja.
Eyes open. Roja.
Young man.
Ask me about my particulars.
Now particulars.
Offense number 2. Trying to teach the officers of the law their work, Abi?
No, I'm not teaching you your work. Young man. Find out something.
That's
Man?
Take this man to the station.
Wait first. But you don't have name tags. Policemen are supposed to have name tags.
It concern you. It's your business. It concern you.
What division are you from?
See, I said you should take this man to the office because he's trying to correct us and teach us our work. Yes,
Officer, respect yourself. Just go inside and give us what we want.
Whatever you say, we use against you because of law.
Yes! Okay, please, I beg you. Can I tell you something?
Listen to the office!
This you want to tell our inspector. Yes. It's okay. It's okay. No.
Are you mad?
I'm sorry, I want to settle.
Inspector, you know how people behave. So please, I guess he has come to his right senses. Let him settle it.
Let him
what to tell us. Please.
What?
Please.
I'm just doing it because of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Because of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Let me tell her the amount you want to pay now. So can I
discuss big amount with her?
Big amount.
How much do you have to pay? Don't waste my time.
Wait.
How much do you have to pay? Don't waste my time.
Talk price, no time.
Talk with our officer.
So you want to impersonate Naija? Yes, I need back up. Back up. Yes, let me do it. That man carry inspector go. The inspector.
Wait. Today that day. Inspector. I just said the jack you put for car.
Put for boot.
I beg.
Sharp. Today na bad day. That man be like creep police.
Talk this thing from beginning. I dey talk this thing. Look me come on.
My mama tell me. That man be police officer. My mama tell me.
Take. Man, you go this one. Take, man, get this one. Inspector, you give me better thing. I know say I follow you work well today. Inspector, ask
what be that? No be me they catch for that place. Now that doesn't work.
Inspector, waiting be this now.
See, everybody shut up, make I talk. Me, as I did like this now. I don't know you, you don't know me. Everybody go your way, find your way. What to go happen now? Tomorrow we'll come together here. Check what that coast clear. So do anything.
Inspector, wait I want you to 2,000.
This guy.
Okay, and they catch me now and I forget any money. And they to say they carry me go now and I forget any money. I'm grateful for you. Now see they talk a bit.
Inspector, this one small.
Now I sabi. Come back close.
Make I go bring the bag up. Junk food.
How much? Come bring one. Why you go play? I beg.
What is going on here?
Auntie, you're welcome. Come and join us.
I don't know. Without you.
What are you people doing?
Eating.
You are eating. Who served you this big meat? Bisi!
Madam, welcome.
Bisi, who gave them this big meat that they are eating?
Madam, it's me. They asked for it.
They asked for it and you gave it to them. Are you okay? Why will you give them this big meat?
Madam, they asked for it. They'll pay.
I will pay now.
Who told you that they will pay?
You don't really see us finish. I swear. You don't see us finish, but we go shock you. How much is the bill?
10,200.
Only 10,200.
How poor you are. You're beating somebody because of 10,200. What the height of poverty in you?
Oh, wow, you're too cheap.
10,200, yeah, you're beating somebody. Somebody that's working for you. That's very bad. Change
your bad ways. This is 10,000. Need 500 now. Find change. 300 naira, this is for a personal need. See your money, 10,000.
Collect the money from them.
Give me tissue. I'm clean my mouth.
Where did you people get all this money?
Don't talk. Pepe.
Where did you get all this money?
Wait now, you want me paper choke us? It's okay. Like without too much. Money is one of our construction business. We're into construction business, yes. From the money.
You want the miss?
You people are working. Construction money. You're working hard. Where?
We used to go and carry block after work. Go and carry block and they pay us. They pay us big money, oh. Big money.
So you people will leave my own shop and go elsewhere to be carrying block.
Okay, we should leave where they are paying us and come and be working for you. Are you paying us? After working for you, now the only thing we get from you is insult. Insult, accusation every time. So let's go to where they are paying us money. If you go to work, get money, you come to your own shop.
Don't talk while eating. Pepe will catch you.
If you want me to come out here, make you go another place, go spend the money.
Now.
But do you good that we are patronizing you and you are still talking. Want me to choke?
You said I'm chasing your customer away. Abi? Don't worry.
So how can both of you eat 10,000 naira in a spot?
Oh! He outside you, not our money. My money.
I bet let's stand up and go. Let's give.
Let's go.
I didn't say you should go, but
When people spend that for much time.
I don't know.
We're working very hard for our money. We work very hard for our money.
and you're eating it.
So we want to spend it. We spend it anyhow we like.
Talk too much.
Azonto askelewu. One day back.
Can't even go to another place.
These girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they Azonto askelewu. One day back.
What did you do?
Cause these girls
Put that to your mouth. I go took the pin. Stop laughing now. What do you want me to do? That's small rich. What do you want to do? See, if you put that to your mouth, you took you.
Anything we go bring money, then they get. Yes, the hustler.
Yes, they hustle.
Then the hustler.
Them be hustlers.
Yes, the hustler.
Yes, they hustle.
Then the hustler.
Them be hustlers.
Yes, the hustler.
Yes, they hustle.
Then the hustler.
Them be hustlers.
Azonto askelewu. Azonto. One day back askelewu. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they get. Azonto askelewu. One day back cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they get. Yes, the hustler.
Yes, they hustle.
Then the hustler.
Them be hustlers.
Yes, the hustler.
They hustle.
Then the hustler.
Them be hustlers.
Yes, the hustler.
They hustle.
Bro.
Them be hustlers.
You don't
my food is finished.
I'm not here for food. Felicia, I'm not here for food. I'm here for you, Feli.
It's okay. Azonto is not here.
What do you mean by Azonto? What am I doing with that small girl? It's you I want. You get everything a man wants.
Are you sure?
Look at your back. Look at front. Front and back. Everything full. Full option.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm 100% sure. Not like a girl like your niece that full of dramas. I don't want
She's
them.
not my niece.
Well, that is not the matter. Let us talk. Come. Come. I love you. Oh yeah, oh yeah,
You know you didn't treat me well.
What else do you want me to do? Do you want me to carry you? Is it what you want?
Any matter where consign money, they know they use them.
You go there, check if the man is looking for us.
Who's what? Huh? Wait, I don't understand. Why should I be the one to go there? Why? Among all of us here, why should I be the one to go and risk myself there?
Why you no go do am? You will risk yourself because she's our inspector and she said so.
Yeah, I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere.
Shut up! Our future self will implicate us. So it's better another person. If you go there without uniform, they will not recognize you. They will not even know you are among us. So just go now.
Okay, see.
Usman, she's right. Just go, hide somewhere, be watching us. So when in the eye we are true, you come and tell us what you see.
Okay, fine. But if they catch me, I will expose also.
What did they do to say?
Yes, now because they can't just hold me like that. If they hold me, I will tell them about us. All right.
This is one thing that I hate you about.
On fire, you. I hate you too.
It's okay. I go myself. Make I go. If you leave this idiot, if you go there now, they catch him. If you carry himself, go meet police by himself. This one now mumu, and this one not even get strength. If they catch him with this way, you get fat now. They go to you understand, expose us. So the thing we say, I will go myself. I will go myself. Make I do am. I go do am. This one you be fool. Make we get money now. You go to open your mouth, talk say you dey find your own share.
Yeah, let's go.
No, make I go. Make I go myself. Inspector, I do it myself.
No,
See you. Shut up.
It is better she go because
double
wahala for the body. If you cross their party, then go treat your fuck up for Nanya. Them be twins with the same ambition. No use them play. They know they agree for anybody.
This one we are Zonto never come back since. Make you say they don't catch him. Make this thing why they think I just pray say no be am.
Wahala dey.
Wahala ke?
They are there. In fact, they are looking for us.
I talk this thing. Maybe say I talk. Now me say them don't catch us with us now. All of us like this now they go jail.
Shut up your mouth. Let me concentrate. Shut up your mouth. Now you be the man here, but now you dey fear pass. You dey mad. Calm down. Nobody's going to jail here. But that's if we are smart, though. That's if we are smart. Nobody's going to jail.
Kelewu is right, though. As for me, I go talk say make we go another junction day. We go change our DT post.
Another junction. As for me, I will see no stop now that I see early.
As I do like this, I don't retire. I want the badge. I don't stop uniform. I want burn myself.
Retire waiting. Wetin stop una dey talk for here? Wetin una dey talk for here? See, this country where we dey so, government no dey give us work. There is no work in this country. So it is left for us to create our work ourselves. So you see this work, we go do am. Do you know how much we make in a day? You know how much they make? We no fit stop this work at all. We no fit stop am.
See.
As for me, I want to stop. I'm retiring.
Enough. It's okay. I've heard you. See, that if you will calm down and listen to me, let me tell you something. This will help your life. That's if you will calm down and listen to me. Azonto here is right. She's very right. We cannot stop this work because of this small issue that just came up. In this, we know how much we're making in this work. Every day, we know how much we're making. You don't want to be a big boy. Now I want to make the kind of money that will shock the whole world. The kind of money that I will make now that will turn me to big girl. That anywhere I'm going to, people will be looking at me. They'll be imagining, they'll be thinking, how did this guy get this kind of money?
Them go think in a ritual.
I did that.
I get them.
So the best thing we can do now is let's just give ourselves like 1 full week we will not work. Do you get? Then next week Monday we will do work.
No, I don't follow that one. No, we shall be say 1 full week. So we go day 1 full week. We no go make money. No,
my sister, I understand your point though. But what I talk now be say let's just calm down because I know that 1, 2, 3 days now police people go dey find us. They search for us. That place all they did, they go dey find us. But after that time now the thing go come calm down. They will not go search for us again. So that time now we will start our work. You get? Let's not be in a hurry. You know we are big girls. We are making money. We are making plenty money. So let's just calm down. Can I even finish the money we have made in these few days while waiting? So calm down. Yeah?
I think Skelewu is right.
You dey mad? Who be Skelewu? You dey mad? She be your mate. Oh no, because you dey see her size. You say she be your mate. Oh, I see. But I say this your fatness don't affect you, abi?
Eh? No, leave her now. Now because say you dey see my head. Just say they work together and they give you money for hand. Just say you gonna talk to me like that.
They call am inspector. You hear?
Idiot.
Whatever. As for me, I'm going home.
Go!
I am going though, because if they catch me now, waiting, I want my papa and mama.
Come on for here!
Because they do this job to avoid they chop the money. The money when they share they give them land. That one na lost was now. So I carry drum for belly they talk to me.
No mind now. Skelewu. Me I dey think oh. I no wan go that house meet Felicia for there. I no want to see Felicia.
Me too, I no want to see am. I no want to go house too. What you go do now?
I get idea.
What you that?
We will go buy big phone. Buy big phone. They do TikTok video. They use them kill our boredomness.
But you know say they find you now. You be persuaded they find 1/3. They write on it 1/3. One go they do TikTok when they see your face. No they do it. We'll find another thing to do, yeah?
So what you go and do now, man?
Just think them first.
But they think.
You must find those hoodlums. They cannot be allowed to keep perpetuating evil in the society with our name. Find them.
But sir, we have searched everywhere. They did not come out.
I see. If they are smart, they will not come out again. But most criminals are not smart. Yes, because of greed. Put more men to it. Let them be at it. We must bring them to justice.
Yes, sir.
In my own area, I will not allow this to happen.
What? Why you cry?
My boyfriend beats me.
Man touch you! You don't have anything?
Nothing, no.
Wait. Man calm down, touch you, no do him anything. Just like that. Are you a fool or what?
No, I'm not a fool. That's why he's always beating me. I'll tell him not to touch me, but you will not agree. You still beat me.
So he has been beating you since, and you don't do anything. You don't retaliate or fight back. You are here crying like a fool. Oh yeah, frog job.
Officer, please now.
Frog job!
Officer, please now. What's going on now?
No, I need to put frog job. I need to put sense in this girl brain. How am I going to beat her? She not go to fight back. Frog job! How am I going to beat her? She going to fight. Frog job!
See, respect yourself. I hate injustice. I hate it. Frog job. Why am I going to beat you? You go come outside here.
Stand. Where the man is?
He's there.
Take us to him.
Let's go.
Go front.
This morning.
Attack! Go hold him. Be fast.
No, make it run now.
Bring her here.
Come here. No go come meet you. No respect.
General, stop for here. Let me take over. Hey, officer. Information reaching me be say you dey beat two man.
Hey, it's injustice.
No be say they beat them. Hey, officer! You dey beat two man. Officer. Then I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Tell her you never lay your hands on her again.
I will never lay my hands on you again.
See,
I promise.
My duty post na for me. Anytime when she complain, give me say you touch her. I go arrest you.
I swear.
And you go there for prison for 2 years.
Yes.
I swear I will never touch her again.
Get down.
Okay.
Come short.
I hate injustice. You would have left me.
Officer, thank you. Thank you very much.
Shut up, yes.
Thank you.
Which time is? I don't understand. This is what I do for you. Say that thing.
I thought you people want to help me now.
Help waiting. Your money na 20,000.
Officer, I don't have that kind of money.
No worry, I will go call him now. Tell her make you pay me. And I go tell her make you beat you.
Beat
But the thing is, I don't have cash.
Transfer, POS day. You get the account, I get the account number. Money point. Nothing they do you now. Money point.
Okay, call the number. Officer, why are you doing like this? Doing what?
You the question me.
Write it, go.
50.
Very. Wow, ma. If you not.
Hi. Thank you.
Honey. How much did you say you need?
50,000 naira. And I'm going to pay you back.
So?
Yes.
You don't need to pay me back. Eh? I say I can do anything because of you.
Thank you.
I can catch lion like this because of you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So anything for you. Mention it.
Okay.
So don't worry yourself. You don't need to pay. I will say, let me send it for you.
Okay.
Call that your account number for me.
Right away.
What else?
Oh, thank you. 21.
Which bank?
Global.
You know your bank access. Yes. Okay. Number.
21 34 88 62.
Yeah. 50,000. Don't go.
Hi! Thank you.
Anything for you.
You're such a nice person.
I'm a nice, both inside and the outside.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes. Hey.
No, you don't need to hide it. Yes. I saw it.
Oh, okay, that's it.
The money. Where do you get all that money?
Money?
Yes.
Oh, it's money. I don't know it's money.
What do you mean? Is this not money that you're holding?
It's me asking. It's the money our gain from our hawking business.
Wait, you mean you people hawk?
Yes, we used to hawk anything hawking.
I think it's high time both of you started contributing for your upkeep in this house.
Upkeep care? Auntie Felicia. See, the last time I checked, we used to fetch water for you for free. We used to buy our soap, our cream, our toothpaste. Even at times, you don't give us food. So what are we upkeeping?
What about the NEPA bills?
Fine. We'll discuss the price. I will discuss it with the caretaker and I will send him the money.
Look at this girl. You think you are smart? You are smart now?
Smart what? See, auntie, I don't understand what I'm trying to do. I'm a poor girl. I'm a poor girl trying to look for a way to make ends meet for my family and I. We don't have any money. If this money they chook for your eye, you no go see. Felicia, you no go see anything.
Azonto, you call me by my name again. Anyway, where is your sister? Because I need to talk to both of you. Both of you have to start contributing in this house.
Contributing fire. You no go see anything. Nothing enter your hand. This one money when you see for our hand, you see make we contribute.
I will not be giving you people food in this house again. You will start contributing.
Hi, you dey chop your food.
Anyway. So, these children are making this kind of money. Human beings are wicked. These people are wicked though. Thank God I've seen it. I know what to do.
I don't like this kind of thing. They will make people to transfer money into their own account. They will not come and share it with us.
Imagine 100,000 naira just like that. This is not nice. It is not a nice idea.
Well, I think that we should leave them. I find our own group of boys and then form our own police system. It's not to wear black this thing.
You want to go and form your own boys?
Now.
You as you do like this. For your mind now, you say you get the kind of mind where those girls get. People will calm down, think say they go wear police uniform, go road, they collect money. You know the kind of mind where those girls get, where you think say you will do. It is not as easy like it is not that easy.
You don't forget who I be. I be general.
You be general.
Yeah, no.
So you won't go form your own boys.
Simple, like just one thing now.
See police! Hey, general. You study something where they talk. You don't get mind. Small police where I shop like you don't run. You see where you reach. See where you run reach. Police. You know. You see what like they talk. Later you go talk say you won't go from your own boys.
I swear to God, kind of God in heaven now. And
they say you now you dey run now. You small police talk right so you don't run reach there.
Felicia, warn your girl.
I don't understand. What happened now?
You say you don't know that your girl is causing nuisance on the street?
I don't know.
Okay, fine. The last time she met me with her police friends, they were harassing me. Are you saying that you don't know that they are police people? They chased the woman I was with, separated her from me.
Patrick, I don't know now,
Don't know.
I don't understand because Azonto and Skelewu, they're not police officers now. BC, do you know what he's talking about?
No!
Azonto
is not a police officer.
Yes!
You don't know that Azonto is a police officer parading the street?
Azonto!
Here she comes.
I just hear Azonto. Which Azonto do this time?
Are you a police officer?
Which be police officer?
Are you not?
Oh, police! Me police? When? How? When?
Hey.
Where?
Is what Mr. Patrick is saying.
Mr. Patrick is saying that you're a police officer.
Answer.
It's you now.
You talk like say you don't know say this man don dey craze small. Person wey I see for road dey drive with ashawo, they talk say ashawo na him pikin. You won't deny am. When he come notice I don't catch him. He go dey talk say I won't kill him. Na to me murderer when? This man don dey run mad o.
Are you talking to me?
Na your shadow.
You better warn her.
He said that you're a police officer. That was what he said.
Me, police officer?
Yes.
You don't see me wear police costume before?
No.
Oh.
See, Mr. Patrick, where are you going to?
You see?
So this man don't dey run mad.
Don't dey run mad. There's no peace for the wicked. You see?
Patrick don't dey run mad. Hey!
A madman, you know, they follow drive what? So this one, you don't know.
Hey.
A madman, no. I beg. What's the inside? Because you don't start customer.
Yes.
Inspector, have you found those hoodlums?
No, sir.
I still believe they are operating somewhere. Please, put your boys at it. Find them.
Yes, sir.
You can go.
Azonto and Skelewu, one nepa kewa, cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money in there. Azonto and Skelewu, one nepa kewa, cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money in there. Azonto and Skelewu, one nepa kewa, cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money them they get.
Wait! You!
Yes, they hustle.
Stop there!
Them the hustlers.
Them be
Come here.
hustlers.
Come! It's you!
Yes, they hustle.
Them the hustlers.
Them be hustlers.
Yes, the
Come here.
hustlers.
Yes, they
Come
hustle.
here! Come here!
I said, come here.
You asked me if I know you. I know you. I recognize it. It's you.
Are you the teacher in my school? One of the teachers in my school.
What do you mean the teachers?
Stop pretending.
You shut up.
Stop pretending. It is you. You think I will not recognize you?
Okay, you know, people used to tell me that I look like that small girl that used to act movie. That girl that they used to call EBUBE. And I'm not, I'm Skelewu. I don't know anybody, I'm Skelewu.
You are Skelewu?
Are
you not the ringleader of those criminals?
Yeah, I know the criminal anything. I know the criminal. Me, I be Skelewu. I be small pikin. I just there for this city. My mama there for my papa there for. If you kidnap me, nobody go save me. I go there for your hand die.
My friend, shut up. Is she not the ringleader of that criminal gang?
We do mistake. We just leave her.
Mistake.
It's you!
Hey, shut up and go. Get out, get out. Just get out.
Is that teacher that they bring in my school? The teacher is not intelligent. Me, I know you to insult that teacher. I know you. It's not fun. Look like my teacher. That teacher hates that teacher very well. Look like that teacher. That is not intelligent. I used to insult that teacher.
The same voice, the same size.
I'm still looking at her.
Are you sure?
Don't you think? Confused.
Because I feel like arresting her now. Are you sure?
Because one is one and one is
What did they push you? Police! What did you do, police now?
Don't go. That policeman, he caught me.
Ha! Chineke.
I pretended as if I'm a baby and I was not crying, shouting. So he now allowed me to go.
Get sense, so. Thank
smart.
Thank God, say, be like say you use your sense this time around.
See, it's better we stop this thing and start a new business. My sister, let's stop this thing, start a new business. Guys, doing our plan that once we make enough money, we'll stop this thing and start our business. I don't know why we're still doing it.
Skelewu, what are you saying? Which business do you think we can start? Yeah? Oh, you think we can start provision and business with 1.3 million naira?
We'll start small. It's small now. We'll not start it once. It's small, you reach there. Yeah.
Okay, this is what we're going to do. Work first. Let's work and save a lot of money. Once the money reach like 5 million naira, 6 million, we will go.
Are you sure?
Yes, now.
I think we should stop.
Nobody go catch us. Just they use your smart sense. Anytime you see police, they run. They act like they be picky. May we go. No, what will happen? Let's see if you won't beat me. Come out now.
Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they Azonto and Skelewu. One day back, cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they
Oh God, I'm removing it. Leave my husband. Think that very well. Leave my husband. Madam, sorry, I don't know he's married. He seduced me.
Shut up. Where's your phone? Where is your phone?
Where's the phone, my friend?
Oh,
where's your phone?
Madam,
you are going to transfer all the money my husband's giving.
You can't bring the phone.
Nonsense.
Oh, sorry, madam. It's only 50,000 that I has given.
You think I don't know? There was one that gave you the money used in starting this business.
No, madam, that is not true. It's not true.
You're going to transfer everything into my account.
Fast! Do it fast!
I'm transferring it.
All the money, transfer it into my account.
I'm transferring it.
Are you wasting time?
But you're not the one that gave her the money to start this business.
No, that's not true, ma. That's not true.
Transfer all the money.
No, I'm the one who I've been giving you money for years now.
Did you hear that?
Eh? I've been giving you money for even the one you used to open here. I'm the one that gave it to you.
Did you hear? Transfer all the money belongs to me. All your money belongs to me. Transfer it, please.
I'm transferring it.
Hello.
I'm transferring it.
Do fast.
I'm transferring it.
Do fast now. Do fast.
Stripper! Let me make my video and post it on the internet.
I'm transferring it.
Stand up. Fast.
All your money belongs to me.
I'm transferring it.
Transfer. Be transferring it.
Madam, I'm doing it.
If I hear him,
what are you looking at? Give me.
No.
I'm transferring the money.
I will sound. Now go on your knees. Go on your knees fast. Go on your knees. Go on your knees. Carry your two hands up.
Prostitute. You will not leave somebody husband alone. You have to go and marry your own husband. You will not leave somebody husband alone. Let us go. Let's go. Let's go. Let us go.
If I hear him, I will make it. If I just hear him, I will make it. Remove the remaining ring. Remove it out. Remove everything. All these ones I don't achieve. Remove everything. All these things
I don't know why he should lie, We just started dating. He has only given me 50,000 naira. 50,000, nothing again.
Well, wait, let me ask you this question. Do you know he's married?
No, now. I didn't know. I agreed to date him because he promised to marry me.
So how much did they take?
450,000 naira. 450,000 naira.
That's broad day criminal.
Exactly.
Broad day robbery. What is that thing now?
I worked so hard to make that money. Now they have collected everything. Everything I've made. Hi. And he threatened me that if I try to call police, that he's going to upload the video on internet.
No, this is a crime, a big crime in this country. Blackmailing plus intimidation. Yeah.
Hi. I don't want that kind of thing now. What am I going to do? I don't want them to upload the video.
Auntie, it's just how it's 1-2 weeks they'll talk about it. You now become superstar for life.
You have Instagram, TikTok. Your followers will come up.
No, I don't want that. It's not that kind of video that I'm going to use for my followers. I don't want that kind of video now. How can people now know that I'm dating a married man? Imagine now. It's not good.
But it's not your fault now. He did not tell you.
Hey.
But don't worry, we'll look into it.
You go live and say, it's not, I know you. Say I'll tap on.
You have views.
I have plenty of views.
Hey.
TikTok live.
God, what am I going to do now? Why will this man do this to me?
Let's go! Sergeant! Corporal! Go inside there! Bring them out! Marshal them out! All of them!
Inspector! Hey, come back! You go there! Go this way! One go here! Okay, bring them out!
Okay.
Fast!
Scatter everywhere! Anybody hit them! Bring them out! Don't they make noise now? They do that kind of Get them there now!
Me didn't fear now.
You not see anybody? No! Enter this way, go find them.
Okay, who body?
Hey! What happened? Azondo! What happened?
Sit down!
Hey, madam, I come here. Madam, what happened? I hate it. What is that? I hate it.
Accomplished.
See,
what did we do now?
Go and tell her. Drop message to her.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell her that you will not hurt her again.
These people, they'll be thief. They got my auntie.
How much?
430,000 naira.
Azondo.
This man a criminal.
Shut up.
Azondo, you don't say you be my friend.
I go hit this for your head.
Sorry.
From my observation, they go on to plenty people. Plenty women.
Hey!
Inspector. Take over.
It's not like that, now.
So shut up your mouth.
I don't shut up.
How much na scam my auntie?
230.
430.
But I tell you, I go give her back, you.
Shut up. So now, what you go pay? You go pay double. You go pay 860.
Yes.
But you know, say, I tell Felicia, say I go give her back.
No,
you never reach like that.
Okay, I'll send it. I'll send it now. Let me send it to her.
860,000 naira.
I'll send it now. Sister, I've sent it already. I'll send it.
No, be say that's come on. We tell her say we go buy her back.
Please, don't kill him now.
Don't kill him. Like that.
No.
So now, you bring out your phone.
My phone is here with me. No, be say I scam mom. I tell her say we go give her back.
Tell her say you go give am back.
Yes.
You go give am back. Now you na blackmail and.
No.
Bring what you want shop.
We did not.
Type message. Tell her say you no go do am again.
Okay.
You no go disturb am.
Type. I did
Type message.
See her now.
Tell her say no go ever disturb am again. So you no go do am. Say you are at fault.
Yes.
See her. I don't send that.
Try it again. Let's go.
Inspector, I've showed it.
Let me see the daddy.
See, I've showed that.
Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you.
MCC, I did injustice. I did
Sorry,
it.
we'll not do it again. We'll not do it again. Hey, baby.
When I was a soldier, I remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was a soldier. I remember when I was a soldier.
If you cross their path, then go treat your fuck up before Nanya. Them be twins, so with the same ambition. Don't use them play. They know they agree for anybody. Azonto askelewu, one nepa kekwa. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then do. Azonto askelewu, one nepa kekwa. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then do.
Wonderful man, I know is Jesus. Wonderful man, I know is Jesus. Wonderful man. Hey! Hey! Now, wow! Wonderful man, I know is Jesus. Wonderful man, I know is Jesus. Wonderful man. Oh, wonderful man. Oh, wonderful man. Oh, wonderful man. Oh, wonderful man. Hey! Oh, wonderful man. Wonderful man. Wonderful man. Miracle happened.
Which happened?
Miracle has happened.
Which miracle? Tell me. I go like hear this miracle.
Barrister. Barrister. He has sent me back my money. Yeah, he even sent it double.
Hey!
Oh, wonderful. Yes, double.
No, that's too much.
No.
See, you have to stay away from him.
You don't need to tell me now. I know. You don't even know what happened.
What happened?
He sent a message to me. He apologized and begged me to forgive him. Eh?
Just like that?
Just like that now.
Very good. If I'm to advise you, I'll tell you, keep that message very well. In case he changes his mind, I want to try something stupid.
You're right. You're right. I don't want anything about that man again.
Hey! Now you talk.
At least I've gotten my money.
Wonderful man!
Oh, wonderful man! Hey! Wonderful man! Hey! Oh, wonderful man! Wonderful man! Wonderful man!
You said to money, double, give me one.
Which money? You put, I'm making money. Wonderful man! Hey! Sister.
When I don't see a lot.
Inspector! You sent me to 20k.
You don't see your own alert.
Now 20,000 I this. Wait. Oh my 20,000 naira. Inspector! Is it that you give me 20,000 naira? Hey, I don't make up. I don't make up for life. 20,000 naira.
Inspector.
Hey, Inspector!
Only one inspector.
Transfer, so everybody take their
Hey! Inspector, this one go far.
For you.
Hey, I don't make calm. Like this now, you get one shoe I see from one boutique like this 20,000 and they go that boutique now and they go launch that shoe. So they I said like this now, my body they hot. This 20,000 now, you enter my eye.
Come here!
Money now!
Come here, sir! Get them! Get them! Why you let them go, sir? Hi!
See, we can't be seen together.
I know, where's the gas? Where's the gas? Bring. Yeah, go.
Azonto askelewu, one nepa kewa. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they. Azonto askelewu, one nepa kewa. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they. Azonto askelewu.
Excuse me, young lady. Excuse me, young lady.
Sir?
Did you see some police people running around here?
Police?
Yes.
Police did this area. If police they run me, see if go there around there. Hey! Make I go before stray bullets hit me.
What kind of human being is this?
Where would they go?
See, not be the time they ask too much questions with this so. Pack your things, make me come up for here.
You don't tire me. When I be tell you before, make we quit, make we quit, now you don't fear now. You don't fear.
You talk too much, you know. You dey go village.
When they talk to me like that, I'm your senior. My friend.
We dey go village this night like this, I don't tell you. See, go back.
What is going on here?
We got an urgent call from the village. So we want to go to the village this night.
This night? I hope someone did not die.
No, not at all. You'll zip your bag now. There they go. Stand! Make I carry you.
Go carry me. See, you don't have respect. I see, you don't have respect.
I mean, you dey share eye for.
You don't have respect.
God no give you, give me.
See, you don't have respect. You know why you don't give up to me? Because you know that I'm going to beat you everything.
You gonna beat me? Which hand?
And I carry this thing that drop there. You don't know your name.
No command me. Now only 1 minute you senior me. You dey sharp mouth, I go beat you.
No be tell you. You see I say na 1 minute. Then I tell you.
No sleep oh.
If you pass 1 minute.
If night change, I go wake you. We go come out from this place. No sleep. If you no wake up, I will carry you for bag, zip you, cargo.
I don't blame you.
Come on, shoot for me, I beg.
Go beat me. Beat me now.
Who dey share eye for?
Beat me.
Who dey share eye for?
You know stay one place now.
Do your worst now.
You know stay one place.
Do your worst. Kenneth, do your worst. How are you doing? You like saying hunger the catch up. I need to buy soft drinks and bread.
Come back.
Check there. This is their house. Check inside. Go inside.
Check everywhere. Check everywhere. Check everywhere. Hi.
This is the auntie. She's one. Yes.
What is going on here?
Where are they? Yes.
Who?
Azondo and the Sekrewu. Yes, you know them.
Why are you looking for them? What did they do?
They have been posing as police officers, standing on the road, extorting money from people. Oh, where are they?
No, officer. It can't be possible. Yes. They can't do such now.
Madam, where are they?
Officer, please calm down. I think they are inside, yes.
Madam, we have gone inside and searched for them, but they are not in. So please tell us, where are they?
No, they are inside. I mean, they were packing their things that are going for village before I left. So,
Madam, please don't lie to us. Their bags are inside, but we can't find them. So please tell us, where are they?
Officer, calm down. Maybe they went to buy something. Yes. But officer, these are children, eh? Jemima cannot commit such crime. She can't. They are children.
I want you to call this neighborhood, station men around this house. I want them apprehended immediately. Yes, sir! Move it!
Officer, Jemima, they can't commit such crime. I don't know.
See, you will see.
Sir, Jemima!
Azonto askelewu, one nepa kewa. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they. Azonto askelewu, one nepa kewa. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they. Azonto askelewu, one nepa kewa. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Azonto askelewu. Azonto. One day back it was. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, them they. Azonto askelewu. One day back it was. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, them they. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Yes, they hustle. Yes, they hustle. Then they hustle. Then be hustlers. Them be hustlers. They know they smile at all. Any matter when concern money, they know they use and play. Double wahala for everybody. Azonto askelewu. If you cross their path, then go treat your fuck up before nanya. Them be twins with the same ambition. Don't use them play. They know they agree for anybody. Azonto askelewu, one nepa kewa. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they. Azonto askelewu, one nepa kewa. Cause these girls are hustlers. Anything we go bring money, then they. Azonto askelewu, one nepa kewa. Cause these girls